Hello to Sir RJ. Hello to you, James. Arobi. Hi, Sir James. Yes, I will be sleep maybe later. Hello. Hello, Sir James. Hello, what why are you not sleeping? It's like 12:56. Hello to Den Montenegro. Hi, sir. Hi, mommy. Really? Ganito na ba talaga ako ka, mommy? Mommy na ba ako? Mommy na ba talaga yung pagmumukha ko? Mommy na ba talaga ako? Ano ba naman yan? Dave Roger Baserio. Single? Yes, I am single. But I'm not ready to mingle. Okay, I'm single, but I'm not ready to mingle. I'm not ready for any kind of relationship. But I want a friendship only. I don't want a situational ship. I don't want anything ship. To Dave Rose Basalo. Ikaw ha, grabe ka sa akin. Makamami ka. Alagaan kita. Sige ka. Grabe ka makamami sa akin ha. Hello to Van Dissem. Hello, sir. Okay. Sorry. Kasi clinic siya, hindi ko namamalayan na maano siya. Thank you for that concern. Anyway, I like you for that kind of having some kahit sa maliit, like sa maliit na bagay nakikita mo. Thank you. Thank you for giving me some having a concern on me. Char. Hello to Sir Lou Argala. Hello, sir. Thank you, James Hidalgo. Thank you. James. Okay. Naglagay ako ng ganto kasi tagal kasi ako natutulog, nagpupuyat ako. Add mo ko sa FB. Sure, you can message me so that I will remember your name. Oh, no, message me because, I don't have a good memorization. Hindi ko siya maano.